from Furious Balls. This is the first video. You own it, Dad.
My cat is mean to meet Sarah.
And it's been hungry for a while. We've been feeding them.
Let's go show her the bull. Let's go show him the bull.
If that food isn't watching you, just have to win from going that way. Calm down, Sarah.
So where's the bull? Oh, there it is. We have a rock holding it down, that way the wind doesn't blow it away.
We're still hungry.
She left that food. Use the food on the ground over there.
The food over there, I knocked down with my fat.
Oh, you knocked it over?
I stopped it and
Oh.
Yeah, she went over and finished it up.
dang.
And she's a people over there, it's Cat. The neighbors. Cat. We don't know if we're named Sarah or not. We just call her Sarah. Come on, E. Sis, what's your YouTube channel name? Okay, please check out my sister and her friend's YouTube channel called Snowflake, by the way. And let's get back to with the video. So Sarah is a girl.
Yeah.
She's actually that person over there's Cat, but we don't know if that's really her name. We just call her Sarah. Now wait to see how fast she runs. She runs fast. Well, if she wants to run fast, she runs fast.
What type of food?
Yep. And she eats fast as well. She eats fast as well.
Daughter too.
Half the price.
Yeah. All right, see that.
You see how fast she eats. What he said. Oh no, she's not hungry.
No, I see
When she is hungry, she eats a lot. And fast.
that.
She hears something that she doesn't like. Oh, there it goes.
That's one.
Look how fast she's eating.
Before she was like this, Dad. Like,
Yes. At point she's like.
so they eat all didn't see how to drop it.
She could like finish this bowl in in like a minute if she wanted to.
Yeah. What do we even do? Interval? By that we mean feeding her.
Yeah, we haven't been.
Buying her to our yard. Is like there.
She's a very pretty cat. Look at all the colors she has.
Yeah.
And the white feet. When my cat keeps attacking her, so every time this cat's around our house, we have to put my cat inside.
Yeah. One time I bit the spot near. Oh.
And it was a big mess.
Yeah.
When we moved my cat away, my cat literally had his claws dig into her.
No, she didn't. No, he didn't. But he ate her.
Yeah, it looked like it kind of felt like he did because it was so hard to get him away from her.
Yeah.
Don't eat the grass. That's something my cat does. What's she doing?
Since she just eating. No. See,
We were gonna make.
bowl.
No, not right now. We're watching her walk. Remember, we were gonna see how fast she runs and stuff like that. She's going under my dad's truck.
It's the damn bee. It's my dad's bee. What are we doing? My dad's bee.
You can't be under there, Sarah. You can't be under there, Sarah. Girl.
I'm buying her out.
I don't know what it is about cats, but they seem to like cars a lot.
She's laying down right now.
Laying down the street, the similar thing we did last week. Nothing to do but talk to you.
We're gonna finish it now, right?
Well, anyway, that's it for this episode of Furious Bros. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and subscribe because one of our Furious, and become a part of us Furious family.